Dr. Christy Ennis. Welcome to Follow Me Friday, where motion is lotion for our lovable handles, our obliques today. We're gonna have an awesome sweat session and strength, so let's get going. All right, we are lying down on the ground. You're gonna bring the soles of the feet together, drop those knees open. This actually helps to target even through the lower area a little bit. If that's uncomfortable, keep those legs right up. Hands behind the head, unless that's uncomfortable, go across the chest. You're gonna lift up, and then you're adding a slight rotation here, right? So I'm not yanking my elbow. That doesn't do anything except possibly give me some shoulder discomfort. It all comes right from those obliques. So it's that little bit of flexion and then add that little rotation. We're doing 20 total. So here's 5, 6, 7. Notice I'm also still looking up towards the ceiling. I'm not yanking my neck, hopefully. The goal is not to. That's 10. Small movement. Keep those belly buttons pulled in and engaged so that we're not blooping. 14. 15. You don't need a 20-minute ab workout to get a good workout here. All right, we're doing 2 more. 1 and 2. Okay, you're gonna bring both of those knees to the side. I'm still looking straight up. One arm can go out to the side, one behind the head. My hips are a little tight, so they may not stay together. And then it's straight up. So we're really working right through here. Notice again, I'm not lifting very high. I'm certainly not pulling my head. There's 2, 3. We'll get 15 of these on each side. 4, 5. Oh, I am tight. 6, I better do one of my stretching videos. 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 5 more. Now, we don't ever isolate any one muscle when we're working our abdominals, but we can bias them, which is what we're trying to do here. 14, and one more is 15. Switching sides. This is a lovely stretch for the back too. Again, it's okay if your hips don't go all the way down either. Oh, okay, here we go. Leave that elbow open. Don't yank it. Come straight up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Really focus your energy in that area. 8, 9, 10. 5 more to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're going to go back onto your back. Legs are going to come up. We're going to start with bent knees, arms out to the side if it's comfortable. If not, you can keep them down. We're going to bring those knees and rotate them over to the side, trying to keep this opposite shoulder blade down, and that's where we're starting. Don't worry, it gets harder as we go. Here's 2. We're only going to do 10 like this. 3. I don't have significant motion because I immediately move up. So just keep that in mind when you're doing these. Listen to your body. There's 6. We have 4 more. So 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, if you can, you're going to straighten your legs. Go ahead and rotate. Bring one hand behind that head and then add that little twist. Now we're combining things. You can easily do the same idea with the knees bent too. No big deal, one way or the other. A little easier with those knees bent. There's 3. We're going to do 10 total here. 4. These are one of my favorite, yet not. Remember the breathing. There's 7. We're going to do 3 more. 8. And you can lower your legs a little bit more if you don't arch your back too. 9. Last one. And then we're going into a side plank for our last exercise. No rest yet. All right. I am going to come into a side plank. You can do this side plank either with your legs straight or with them bent. I'm going to stick with bent today. Hands going to go behind the head. We're going to keep nice and straight here. And you're adding a little rotation and then whoop, a little dip. Just 10 of these. 2 on each side and then you're done. 3, 4. So again, try not to crunch it together here. I lost count. I'm pretty sure that's 6. Or maybe it was 5. This is 6. I'm a terrible counter. 7. That's why these are follow along, so you guys don't have to count too. 9. Last one. Okay, other side. And then we are done. And your abs will say, oh, thank you. Okay, hand behind the head. You can always keep it here. Poke up, push up. Whew, I can't even speak anymore. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to push up from here, not from your arm. I noticed that I was doing that a little bit. There's 6. And even if you can't add the rotation, if you can just get that little dip, that's great. You can do these on a wall too, if you need to make them a little bit easier. We have 2 more and then we're done. Yay! My body's saying, yay. Last one. Whew, nice job, everyone.